Patrick is next. 1 to 4. Number 6. Number 2. 2011 Absolute Football. This is box number, I don't even know, 79. Forgot the phone. Keep the checklist. I'll be right there.
I'll be back. Oh no, just sell the small boxes. Yeah, for a week or something. You're welcome back to see it.
Pack 2. Pack 3. Pack 4. Here we go, P-Dubs. Des Bryant. Jimmy Smith. Autograph, Spectrum rookie. That one is 008 of 299. Marvin Austin, 399, and Tony G. Steven Jackson Spectrum. Steven is 9 of only 10. A short print on the Steven. Denarius Moore, 399. All thin ones in this one. Base Terrell Pryor, Spectrum rookie. That one's $2.99. Peyton Manning, number 2/100, and Debo. And Deshaun Jackson dual patch. Steven Jackson, Sam Bradford. A lot of Steven Jackson cards in this one. Autograph and a patch. That one is 3 of 25. DeMarcus Van Dyke, $2.99 or $3.99 in Sam Bradford. And that will do it. Quick and easy. Patrick, thanks, buddy.